let's make a fabric face mask. Take 15-inch length cloth, and the width of the cloth should be 8 inch. This should be cotton. And take another cloth which is made of satin or silk. It should be like 7 inch by 8 inch. It should be 8 inch by 7 inch. Like this. So it should go inside this cloth. So put this satin or silk cloth inside the long cotton cloth and fold it backwards. Take the earpiece, this elastic earpiece, put it inside this. Okay, and it should come to the both edges and start sewing from the middle. So start sewing from here. After sewing till this edge, so you can put the earpiece inside like this elastic and start sewing the elastic here. Put it inside like this and start sewing it. So make it tight. After sewing till this end, pick out the elastic from inside, pull like this and bring this to this end, to the hole here. Hold this here and start sewing at this edge. So you have to pull this like this. Starts. Similarly, take the other piece of elastic and put it inside this cloth and sew this edge and also this edge. Fold this like this and start sewing this edge. So this is the thing, what is inside part of this. So I wantedly left this open. Now turn the entire piece into the upside down. Like all, push this back inside so you can see this elastic both the sides. Pull them. So if you can see like this, you can see a rectangle shape. So the next thing is we need to put the frills. So count like 1 inch and a half inch fold, and again 1 inch and half inch fold, and again 1 inch and a half inch fold. Okay, so after making this 1 inch half inch folds, what you have to do is place a safety pin or a paper clip. So you can put like this. Now this is ready, so you can sew this side. So take a needle with thread and start sewing this side and the other side too. You can also use a safety pin to hold this in the right position. So you can hold this, you can make this hold like this and use a safety pin. So after making this, sew the both edges. So finally your mask looks like this. Okay, so if you can open this, it is sufficient for an adult. So wear this. And one more thing I need to show as little tip for the people who are having spectacles. So take a tissue paper, fold this and put it here and wear this like this.